Welcome to AutoNova, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation, design, and speed. If you're passionate about supercars and cutting-edge automotive technology, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding, jaw-dropping Lamborghini Revuelto, the electrified V12 monster that's turning the hypercar world upside down. This isn't just another Lamborghini. This is the future of the brand, bold, loud, aggressive, and unlike anything they've done before. The Revuelto is Lamborghini's first HPEV, or high-performance electrified vehicle, combining the raw power of a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine with 3 electric motors. Yes, 3. Together, this hybrid setup produces an astonishing 1,001 horsepower. That's right, over 1,000 horses, delivering a driving experience that's both brutal and refined. This beast rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reaches a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about going fast. The Revuelto is engineered to handle with razor-sharp precision. With all-wheel drive and advanced torque vectoring, it grips the road like nothing else. The exterior design is pure Lamborghini madness: sharp edges, deep air intakes, and Y-shaped LED lights that scream aggression. The iconic scissor doors are, of course, part of the experience, but the aerodynamics have been reimagined from the ground up for optimal airflow and performance. The carbon fiber monofuselage chassis keeps things ultra-light yet incredibly rigid. Step inside, and you're met with a digital cockpit straight out of a sci-fi movie. 3 digital displays dominate the dashboard, one for the driver, one for the passenger, and a central touchscreen for controls and entertainment. The cabin feels futuristic, luxurious, and entirely focused on the thrill of driving. Lamborghini has even incorporated sustainable materials into the interior, pushing forward a more environmentally conscious approach. Now let's talk about price. The Lamborghini Revuelto starts at around $600,000, though that number can quickly climb with custom options, special packages, and exclusive finishes. It's not just a car, it's a statement, a collector's dream, and possibly a glimpse at the electrified future of all supercars. The Revuelto doesn't replace the Lamborghini Aventador. It redefines what a V12 Lamborghini can be in the modern era. Hybrid power, aggressive design, and next-general tech, it all comes together to make the Revuelto one of the most exciting launches in Lamborghini's history. So, what do you think? Is the Revuelto the most thrilling Lambo yet, or do you prefer the pure gas-powered era of the past? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. This is AutoNova, bringing you tomorrow's supercars today. See you in the next video.